body. There was a full family. They often went with their neighbors having some festival. One night, the father took his little son into their neighbor's garden to steal some carrots. Well, while the father was bring out some carrots, suddenly his son stood beside him. Suddenly his son whispered, "Daddy, someone looking at us." The father became afraid. He couldn't look around, but he can see anyone. Why? Who? He asked. His son pointed at the sky. It's the moon is looking at us. The father was shocked by what his son says. He thought that nobody could see what he was doing at night. And his son would make him feel ashamed. The father his daughter is and his took son by the hand. They both go back home in the moonlight. After that, he never steal anything again. If you steal, people will know no stealing. Thank you.